Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a solar power ring charger, pretty much. So if you guys own the ring, and this is made for ring 2, so they do make it for different versions, so just be careful when you purchase something like this that you purchase the right one. So this is made for ring 2. Pretty much it's just a solar base that charges the actual battery in there. We're gonna set it up today and see what does it take to set something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up first. All right, I haven't opened it at all. So this is the box itself. You got the instructions, very helpful how to set it up. Step by step what to do, pretty much how to set it up. And actually you have to have the metal connections, the copper connections connect to the back of this battery system. So that we're gonna do. And if you can notice, here's a charging station. And I believe they give you some tools, they might give you some tools. We're gonna see about that. So sometimes they do. Oh, they give you the screw to the drive in case you have to re-drive something, and they do give you the actual screwdriver. So I like that. And extra setups where we're gonna set it up. We don't need none of these. We're gonna just go ahead and start taking it out and see if it works. But we are gonna set this up in the existing location where we have our setup, and then we have the cable to connect to the batteries. All right, first of all, we're gonna take out the old one, of course. Let's take out the battery first. And you see this 4 screws right here? Put this on the floor. We're gonna use this existing screwdriver that they give you. All 4 of them have to be removed, so remove it from the base. There we go, that's the base. Here's the actual back of it where it has to mount. So you have to take this off. You have to mount the other one. We are gonna have to take that base off, and we're gonna plug this in this way. And the existing screws, if we can, remove this one and add the new one in there. One, not tight. Move behind this system here, if you guys see it. So it goes like this. Opening more. More. That's it. Tuck back in there. Find the screws. All right, guys, we're not gonna need this base no more. We're gonna get rid of it. This is the solar panel right here. So when the sun hits, it does hit directly to the door every day. It's gonna get bombarded by solar rays, so it could pick up the solar, all right, by the rays of the sun. Make sure once in a while clean it up. These get dirty easily, so clean them up with a little damp. Right, we're gonna put the battery back. I haven't charged the battery, right? Honestly, it hasn't been charged. I don't need to no more after this one. We put in that battery back. You can see it. Very simple to set up. Very easy to a couple of steps. So I did take out the older one, and this is how it looks. I like it, how simplicity it is. I like that they give you the tools. I just screw the back mount first. That's the most important thing. Once you get that done and leveled, you should be okay. I eyed it and I leveled it just to let you guys know, but It's all set up. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.